Yo, what's the deal, family? Welcome to another episode of the Black Money Podcast. We back, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because this video is going to be very informational, very straight to the point. And what we're going to be talking about today is credit versus debit cards, right? So, the importance of us knowing the difference between credit versus debit cards, because a lot of people, everybody, for real, I can't really think of a person that I know that doesn't have a debit card or doesn't use 90% of the people that I do know use their debit card for most of their purchases. Doesn't really make sense. Why? So let me give y'all the definition of a debit card. A debit card is a plastic currency or plastic money you can use to buy things when you don't have cash. Typically, the bank issue a debit card to a savings account or a checking account and is linked to your account. All transactions made through your debit card are reflected in your bank account statement. We all know what a debit card is. It's connected to our savings account, bank account, whatever. Use it to swipe, spend money, but not physically cash, right? Now, debit card. A credit card is a payment issue card to users to enable the card holder to pay a merchant for goods and services and based on the card holder's accrued debt. And what that basically is saying is, here's another definition. Credit cards offer you a line of credit that can be used to make purchases, balance transfers, or cash advances, and require you to pay back the loan amount in the future. When using a credit card, you will need to make at least a minimum payment every month by the due date to stay above, on good terms, right? So now we know the definition between a credit card and a debit card. Why do you need a credit card? Okay, let me explain. Right here. Wow. Right here. We go just put CC and DC. Right? And credit card, what do you have? Cash back. Debit cards don't offer cash back. Now, Cash App card does, but Cash App card is technically is different. It's not a legitimate bank where you can use for every single thing, like with other stuff. So debit cards don't offer cash back. They don't offer that. It's insured. Yes, it's insured, of course. Both of them is insured. Like if a transaction is not yours, you can get the money back, of course, or you didn't authorize it, whatever. Now, this is my favorite part that a lot of people don't talk about is rewards. So with my credit cards, like I got like rewards, so I can go to sky lounges, the lounges that other people cannot go to if they do not have this specific card, and I get discounts on hotels, discounts on airplanes, free flights, so much stuff that comes like with rewards. So it's just crazy. Like I'm getting all of this from just having this credit card when I'm only insured with the debit card. And another thing is you can make this purchase with this credit card with $0 in your bank account. Like you can have $0. Well, you can have $0 in your bank account. You get the point. Like with $0 in your bank account, you can purchase something that can make you money. So think about it. You're broke. You have $0 again, but you have not even $500 credit card. $500 credit card. You can buy a course. Let's just say a course. You buy a course for $250 or learn a skill for $250. Now that $250 skill is making you $500 a week. Let's just say $250 a week. So now in 1 month, you done made $750 profit. Everything after the first month, everything profit. After your first job, everything profit. Whatever the skill, whatever the asset type of thing, valuable thing you learn is, you get what I'm saying. That's why a credit card is more important than a debit card. I really hope that made sense and doesn't really need much more explaining than that. Like, you should not use your debit card. don't use it. It's pointless. Use your credit card. This is another reason I say that. Because let's just say you pay your credit card off, you just make the minimum payment every single month, and you're using it all the time, like Netflix, go to the store, get some snacks, get some gas, but you paying it off, and you only leaving the minimum balance. Like, so let's say a minimum payment is $40. You're only leaving that on there, like $15 balance. You don't got to pay that. You got to pay that, but it's not. It's $15 or it's $40, whatever the card minimum payment thing is, right? So your credit card might increase from 500 your credit card literally increases by the more you use it. Increases by use. This actually decreases by use. When you use this, your bank account balance decreases. It's automatic. That's why you're using it. But this actually is increasing. All right, let's just say you do that. Boom, 6 months, it automatically move your credit line from 500 to 1,000. And this is literally what happened with me. I had it for 6 months. 5 months, it went from 500 to 1,000. I was using it often. Then after another 6 months, it went from 1,000 to 1,750. And then after I had it for 2 years, this was boom. This when I first got it. This was 6 months. This was a year. This was after 2 years. So the next 6 months they didn't do nothing because I really wasn't using as much as I was. And then boom, started using it more. It got increased to $3,000. Same credit card I got when I was 18 started off with $1,500. 2 years later, when I'm 20, it said $3,000. That makes sense? So think about it. 4 years down the line, what do you think it'll be? Some people say 6,000. No, actually 5,000. And that's the highest they're gonna go. 5,000. I don't know if they might do something 5-6 years, but I don't know. Right now, this is from 18 to 22. It done multiplied times 10, 4 years. You know what I'm saying? So again, you could have that $0 in your bank account, but you got $5,000 you got access to. That $5,000 can teach you a skill, pay for a course, whatever the case may be, and make you money. So again, credit card, yes. Debit card, no. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love y'all, appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I get 4,000 public watch hours. So run the views up, run the likes up. Love y'all. See you later.